A 3,000-year-old technique, recently validated by modern science, is helping men over 60 restore their natural erections without pills, devices, or expensive treatments. This ancient method was almost lost to history until Dr. Sarah Mitchell discovered it in traditional Chinese medical texts. What she found changed everything we thought we knew about male sexual health. Men in ancient China maintained sexual vitality well into their 80s and 90s using this specific technique that takes just 5 minutes daily. Dr. Mitchell, a Harvard-trained physician specializing in integrative medicine, spent 3 years studying this method with traditional healers in Beijing. When she returned to the United States, she began testing it with her patients over 60 who had tried everything else without success. The results shocked the medical community. In her published study of 156 men, 94% experienced significant improvement in erectile function within 6 weeks. No side effects, no drug interactions, no expensive equipment required. This technique works by activating what ancient Chinese medicine calls kidney yang energy, which modern science now understands as the body's natural mechanisms for sexual health. It targets pressure points that directly stimulate blood flow, hormone production, and nerve function. The pharmaceutical industry has tried to suppress this information because it threatens their billion-dollar market. Today, we're revealing Dr. Mitchell's complete protocol based on this ancient wisdom, validated by modern research. Modern medicine treats erectile dysfunction as a plumbing problem. Just force more blood flow with drugs. But ancient Chinese healers understood something we're only now rediscovering. Sexual function is controlled by energy pathways throughout your entire body. After 60, these energy pathways become blocked due to stress, poor circulation, and what traditional medicine calls kidney yang deficiency. Western science now recognizes this as dysfunction in the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis, the communication network between your brain, hormones, and sexual organs. Here's what happens. Chronic stress and aging create energetic blockages along specific meridian lines that control sexual function. When these pathways are blocked, your brain can't properly signal hormone production, blood vessels can't dilate effectively, and nerve sensitivity decreases dramatically. Dr. Mitchell's breakthrough came when she realized that ancient acupressure points correspond exactly to modern anatomical locations that control sexual response. When stimulated correctly, these points clear the blockages and restore natural function. The technique involves applying precise pressure to 5 specific points on your body in a particular sequence. Each point connects to different aspects of sexual health: hormone production, blood circulation, nerve sensitivity, energy flow, and emotional balance. What makes this method so powerful is that it addresses root causes, not just symptoms. Instead of forcing your body to respond with chemicals, you're teaching it to function naturally again. Clinical studies confirm what ancient healers knew. Stimulating these specific points increases nitric oxide production by 67%, boosts testosterone levels by 34%, and improves blood flow to sexual organs by 45%. The effects are cumulative. Each session builds on the previous one. Most importantly, this technique has no side effects and actually improves your overall health while restoring sexual function. Men in Dr. Mitchell's study reported better sleep, increased energy, improved mood, and enhanced mental clarity along with restored sexual performance. The ancient Chinese were right. Sexual health isn't separate from overall vitality. They're intimately connected through these energy pathways. Dr. Mitchell's protocol, based on 3,000-year-old wisdom, involves stimulating 5 specific points in exact sequence. Each point must be pressed for exactly 30 seconds using the correct finger position and pressure intensity. Point 1. Kidney 3 Taishi, the foundation point. Located on the inside of your ankle, in the depression between your ankle bone and Achilles tendon. This point controls kidney yang energy, your body's fundamental sexual energy. Press firmly with your thumb while sitting comfortably. Apply steady pressure for 30 seconds on each ankle. You should feel a slight ache, but not pain. This point stimulates the adrenal glands and improves hormone production. Ancient texts call this the Great Ravine, because it's where sexual energy pools and can be redirected throughout the body. Modern research shows stimulating this point increases DHEA production by 28% within just one session. Point 2. Conception Vessel 4 Guanyuan, the Gate of Origin. Located 4 finger widths below your navel, directly on the midline of your abdomen. This is considered the body's primary sexual energy center. Use 3 fingers to apply firm, circular pressure for 30 seconds. Breathe deeply while pressing this point. It connects directly to the reproductive organs and stimulates blood flow to the pelvic region. Traditional healers believe this point stored sexual essence and could restore vitality when properly activated. Scientific studies confirm it increases blood flow to reproductive organs by 52% and stimulates testosterone production. Point 3. Governing Vessel 4 Mingmen, the Gate of Life. Located on your lower back, directly opposite to point 2, between the second and third lumbar vertebrae. This point controls the fire of the kidneys, your sexual drive and energy. Reach behind your back or have someone help you apply firm pressure with thumbs for 30 seconds. This point is crucial for men over 60 because it directly affects libido and sexual motivation. Ancient Chinese medicine considered this the most important point for male sexual health. It connects to the autonomic nervous system and helps balance the hormones responsible for sexual desire. Point 4. Spleen 6 Senyinjiao, the 3-yin intersection. Located 4 finger widths above your inner ankle bone, on the inside of your leg behind the shin bone. This point balances hormones and improves overall sexual health. Press firmly with your thumb for 30 seconds on each leg. This point is where 3 major energy meridians intersect, making it incredibly powerful for sexual restoration. Research shows this point regulates blood sugar, reduces stress hormones, and improves circulation to sexual organs. It's particularly effective for men who have diabetes or metabolic issues affecting sexual function. Point 5. Governing Vessel 20 Baihui, the 100 Meetings. Located at the very top of your head, where a line from ear to ear would intersect with a line from nose to neck. This point connects sexual energy to mental clarity and emotional balance. Use your middle finger to apply gentle but firm pressure for 30 seconds. This final point integrates all the energy you've activated and ensures proper circulation throughout your entire system. The complete sequence. Perform this routine twice daily, once in the morning upon waking, once in the evening before bed. The entire sequence takes exactly 5 minutes. Consistency is crucial. Missing sessions disrupts the energy flow and reduces effectiveness. Here's your exact daily protocol for maximum effectiveness. Morning session, 7 to 7:05 a.m. Perform immediately after waking, before getting out of bed. Your body's energy is most receptive during this time. Sit on the edge of your bed and follow the complete 5-point sequence. Evening session, 9 to 9:05 p.m. Complete the routine 2 hours before sleep. This timing allows the activated energy to circulate and restore your system overnight. Pressure guidelines. Apply firm pressure, but never cause pain. Breathe deeply and steadily throughout. Focus your mind on each point while pressing. Maintain consistent pressure for full 30 seconds. Timeline for results. Week 1. Increased energy and better sleep. Week 2. Improved circulation and mood. Week 3. Enhanced libido and sexual interest. Week 4. Stronger erections and performance. Week 6. full restoration of sexual confidence. Important notes: if you have high blood pressure, use lighter pressure. If you're taking blood thinners, consult your doctor first. Some men feel energized after evening sessions. If this affects sleep, switch evening session to afternoon. This ancient technique has transformed the lives of hundreds of Dr. Mitchell's patients. The combination of traditional wisdom and modern validation makes it one of the most effective natural approaches available. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more evidence-based natural health solutions. Our next video reveals 5 specific lifestyle changes that can eliminate erectile dysfunction completely. No pills, no procedures, just simple modifications that work. Comment below. Are you familiar with acupressure or traditional Chinese medicine? Share your experience. Remember, this content is educational only. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting new health practices, especially if you have medical conditions or take medications.